Hey, this is Marko. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix CapCut maximum number of attempts reach, whether you're on Android or iOS. So if you're getting this error, here's what you need to do on an Android. So you need to go to the settings, then you need to go to the app management, then you want to click on the app list, and then you want to find CapCut. Now sometimes you can just clear cache and that will work, but I recommend you deinstall it, so delete it completely and then reset your phone and then reinstall CapCut again. But now for an iOS, go to settings, then you want to find general, tap on general, then go to iPhone storage, find CapCut, and once you're here you are going to see a delete button over here. Now I don't have it because I have enabled a safety feature where nobody can deinstall apps unless I turn it off, but basically the button is going to be at the bottom. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.